thought before. The shades were closed and the air was warm. A lovely smell of boiled coffee. I roll a taste that makes my day. Way above, like a sailing turn to the Isle of Love. Mountain top, still dressed in magic white. Sun's waving dark goodbye, common sailors set the kite.
Y aquí comienza una historia más de conocernos y entendernos entre todos para vivir la simple felicidad.
So, jetzt haben wir hier einen kurzen Stopp eingelegt auf der Ruta 6, wo wir seit etwa 50 Kilometer so Schotterzeug und Sand fahren. Und an einem kleinen Baum, an einem Übergang, haben wir Folgendes gefunden. Hola! Eine Gruppe aus Sucre, die einen kleinen Ausflug gemacht haben. Und die jetzt hier auch gerade eine Pause einlegen, weil es so brutal heiß ist. Hey, la vaca, comida. First light of the day, I must have lost my direction on the way. Freeway cars and trucks, they crawling like a snake. I light myself a cigarette, I'm longing for a break. I'm longing for a break. Dealing with the cab drivers about the money for the ride. A dark brown voice appears, I'll take you to the sunny side. Traffic rolls like jelly jam. I found, well, time is plenty to get my feet back on the ground. Time is plenty to get my feet back on the ground. Oh, have you ever dreamed to live someone else's life? I thought about it once and I thought about it twice. Whatever comes straight to your mind, you just let me know. I'll do my head around and I'm leaving with the flow. Da fährt ein LKW drüber. Ich glaube, ich spinne. Die offizielle RN6 in Bolivia.
Oh, have you ever dreamed to live someone else's life? I thought about it once and I thought about it twice. Whatever comes straight to your mind, you just let me know. I'll do my head around and I'm leaving with a flow. Walk Brooklyn Bridge to Broadway and Park Avenue. Between all them smell, you can smell some weed too. Still I haven't found the spirit of the Big Apple town. Just ghosts of the old days, they hounding around. They are still hounding around. Feeling puzzled and I wonder where all the freaky people gone. On corner Bowery E used to the Black Angel with a jello on. Lingering through the Central Park from Lennon to El Capone. When time's passing by, I got my dark shades on. Time's passing by, I got my dark shades on. Have you ever dreamed to live someone else's life? I thought about it once and I thought about it twice. Whatever comes straight to your mind, you just let me know. I do my head around. I'm leaving with a flow. I do my head around and I'm leaving with a flow. I do my head around.
Atascar.